Good day, it's Rich Erondu. Please, I want to show you how to do bot trading or use your money to invest in bots so that bots will be trading for you on Bigate. Very simple. You can select any of the coins, the pair you want to, or the coin you want to use for bots. And let me just show you. For example, let me use Dogecoin under these hot coins. You see under the hot coins, you are seeing BGB, Eden, SPL, SPY, Doge. So if I want to place a trade on bots so that bots will be trading Dogecoin for me and giving me profits, or any of the coins, BGB, all of them here, you can place it on your bots and leave it. But let's use Doge for example. You click on this Doge to bring the graph, the movement. So maybe I look at it. Dogecoin is 0.23272 now, minus 0.7375% is on red. So you look at this, you see below more, futures, bots, margin, trade. So I click that place, they wrote bots. It will show me spot grid bots. All the bots I can use. See, the first one, 30 days return on investment, ROI, that's the meaning. Is giving, for 30 days, it are giving 794% profit. Recommended investment period 7 to 30 days. That means if I'm going to use this bot now, this first one, this spot grid bot, see where they wrote use and they see the graph. It has been on profit 779. I will check. I will leave it for 7 to 30 days before I see the result. Recommended investment period. Don't just place the bot and in 2-3 days you want to remove it. No, you won't see the profit. Give it 7 to 30 days and you will discover. Then when you look at this, you will discover 1,100 and let me increase. If you see 1,154 people are using it. Below that use, you see the number of people. Then the next bot, 879.77% profit. The same investment. This one you can use $15 to invest. This one you can use $23. Minimum investment 23 USDT. And this one is 593 people are using it. So the first one have lower minimum investment, $15, 15.42 USDT. You can use this bot. The second one with 23.14 USDT, 900 people are using it. The third one with minimum 30 USDT, 136, just like that. Be checking all of them. You are recommended to leave it for 7 to 30 days. All of them. Minimum investment 30 USDT, 46, just like that. Be checking it. 117, 517 profit, and so on and so forth. Then you check how many provision, 152, and so on and so forth. So in this one, you just place use and put your money. This is AI trading for you, the bot trading for you. But if you want to set how the bot will trade, you click on manual. You set price range, grease, arithmetic, investment, you place the amount, spot available, 4 point something USDT, advanced rate, you click it and on. But me, I have not used manual. I always leave it for AI to trade for me. Personally, I always leave it for AI, not manual. You click AI again, you now see. Then if I want to use the first one, I must have 15.4 something USDT to click use. As you click use, it's showing me available. What I have here is 4.04 USDT. But the minimum is what, 15. So if I don't have up to 15, there is no way I will use this bot. But if I add up my USDT to 11 plus 4 now 15, I can put it and confirm it will start trading for me automatically without my setting it. So, and I'll start making profit. Immediately the profit, it gives you profit. You terminate and remove your profit. You don't leave it for you to be bringing out the profit. No. That is how to use the bots. You'll be checking anytime you give me this $15 now, you give me $5, $10 or double. I will terminate and remove my profit and place the remaining $50 again. That's just it. So that is how to use SpotGrid bot AI for your profit in BJ. So if you have any question, you can ask me. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. And remind your friend, your brother, your coach to reach Erondu. So this is where I will stop so that the tutorial will not be long. And I've tried it before and I've made some profit. It works. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.